The Motorola Frontier has yet to be officially revealed. The specifications presented in this video are rumored. The Qualcomm SM8450 Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 octa-core processor and Adreno 730 GPU power the gadget. It has 8GB and 12GB of RAM, as well as 128GB and 256GB of internal storage. The display has a 6.7-inch OLED with 1 billion colors, 144 Hz, HDR10+, 500 nits and 700 nits of brightness. The screen has a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels and a density of 393 ppi. The Android 12 operating system is used. It has a triple camera with 194 megapixels wide, 50 megapixels ultra-wide, and 12 megapixels telephoto lenses, and 32 megapixels front camera as well as dual LED flash, panoramic, and HDR. Optical fingerprint under display, accelerometer, gyro, proximity, compass, and ready for support are among the sensors. A non-removable LiPo 4500 mAh battery plus fast charging 125 watt plus fast wireless charging 50 watt power the Motorola Frontier. There are two color options for the device, white and black. Additionally, the other features are also included on this device such as AGPS, GLONASS, BDS, Galileo, Bluetooth 5.2, and USB Type-C. What are your thoughts on this phone? Please leave a comment below, and remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, as well as press the bell button to be notified of my new videos. Thanks for watching.